Did you know a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. When you sneeze, your body creates an incredible burst of air, launching droplets of mucus, saliva, and tiny particles at high speeds. In fact, the force behind a sneeze is so powerful that it can send germs flying several feet into the air. The whole process happens involuntarily, with your diaphragm, chest, and throat muscles working in sync to produce that powerful reflex. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just remember, you're about to release a mini speed machine. If you found this fact as fascinating as I did, hit that like button, subscribe for more interesting science tidbits. Thanks for watching and stay curious.